How to get Minimalist promo and coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Minimalist promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Minimalist. So, go ahead and open any of it. Let's open this one website. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 70% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Clicking on any of the offer that you want to use, you're gonna get the code. Now you can copy this code and head towards the website of Minimalist and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you tons of offers and deals for Minimalist. So this way you can easily get Minimalist promo and coupon codes. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.